All right, today, guys, we have Lala. Lala came in with some neck pain and some mid-back pain, correct? How long you had this pain for, Lala?
A year or so.
A year or so?
Yeah, it's just, like I told you before, I would just stretch and it would like get better, but the pain has gotten worse over the past 3 months. I took a hot shower, took like 3 Tylenols, and I tried stretching, but I couldn't even barely bend my back.
Taking a hot shower is cool. I definitely want all my patients to take a shower before they come in because I do not want to smell you. But at the same time, when people do, sometimes people take a hot shower and they feel better with the pain, and sometimes people take a hot shower and they feel worse. You alive?
Just relax. Just relax.
How do you feel?
Hold on. I ain't gonna lie, that popping I got to the pain. I came in here with like a 7. So it's probably like at a 3.
3?
Like a 2 or 3.
2 or 3? That ain't bad. We'll keep you away from that heat.
Kick pain. Get well at the Miami Spine Clinic.
All right, today, guys, we have Lala. Lala came in with some neck pain and some mid-back pain, correct? How long you had this pain for, Lala?
A year or so.
A year or so?
Yeah, it's just, like I told you before, I would just stretch and it would like get better, but the pain has gotten worse over the past 3 months.
It got worse. And what did you do before you came in?
I took a hot shower, took like 3 Tylenols, and I tried stretching, but I couldn't even barely bend my back
Right.
inward to stretch.
Taking a hot shower is cool. I definitely want all my patients to take a shower before they come in because I do not want to smell you. But at the same time, when people do, sometimes people take a hot shower and they feel better with the pain, and sometimes people take a hot shower and they feel worse. She also used a heating pad, correct? So heating pads, not the move. Maybe if you're a woman, you got cramps, yeah. But other than that, you put a heating pad on some neck pain or some low back pain, even knee pain or any other type of joint pain, it's probably gonna feel worse. So always opt for that ice. That's what I always opt for first. Heat, that surface heat can mess it up a lot. And that's why, cause she said your pain wasn't that bad the day before, right?
No, yeah, like yesterday it probably was like at a 5, but when I worked at today it was like at a 7.
Right, so yeah, so she reached out to us yesterday. We probably should have got her in before she put that heat on. Bro, it saved a lot of pain. So sorry about that. But all right, so we're gonna have you sit back and just relax. Have you been to any other medical professionals for this issue?
No.
No? Okay, cool. How long you known about us here?
Over the past maybe a couple months
It's
on
on,
this.
it's on this side?
Yes, it's like here and underneath the shoulder.
Yeah, this left side feels real tight. I want you to push up.
Push it.
Yeah, just about. All right, just relax. Push up again. All right, just relax. Push up again. All right, just relax. Just relax. There we go. Good. So let this head drop for me. Head drop.
Oh,
You all right?
yeah.
You alive?
Oh, good. I thought it was gonna be worse than that, but that felt good. The relief. Oh. Whew. Okay.
It feels better?
Yes.
Already we got some improvement. Okay. Okay. All right, let your head drop. Let it drop. Let it drop.
I'm good. Yes. It feels good.
Seems like you can breathe better, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whew.
Better any shot they got for you, any flu shot, anything.
Yes.
Open up all those nostrils. Let's have you come on up, stand up for me. Just relax. Just relax. Just relax. Good. Let me have you lay on your stomach, face down. Good. Just relax, let your arms drop. How's it feel right now in this area now?
Right there.
Right there. Let your arms drop for me. Just let them drop. Just relax for me.
Oh.
Just relax, just relax, just relax.
Oh. Oh, man.
That was it?
Oh, that felt so good.
These CT junctions usually a little challenging. Usually pretty aggravating on people when it's going on for a while. Just relax for me. I want you to push out against my hands. Push out against my hands. There you go. Just relax. Just relax. Not too bad. Yeah. No, come here. This one's shorter. Uncross. Just relax on me.
Oh. Oh. Oh, man. Oh, it feels good. Oh.
Just relax, just relax. Just relax.
Oh, that bottom part feels so good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just relax for me. Just relax. Good.
Oh, shit.
Just relax. There we go. All right. Stand on up. How do you feel?
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, that popping I got to the pain. I came in here with like a 7. So it's probably like at a 3.
3?
Like a 2 or 3.
2 or 3? That ain't bad. We keep you away from that heat. Keep you away from that heat, we'll be all good.
I'm just thankful I can move now.
Oh, so you couldn't move before?
Yeah, I couldn't bend my back. And I can bend my back. I can stretch my back out. Oh, I was in tears this morning.
You was in tears?
Who did that?
Let's go. Only took you a year to come in.
Yeah, it won't take me a year no more, I tell you that.
All right, you are good to go.
Okay.